What if I told you there's a simple way to feel younger and move with less pain, no pills, no gadgets, just 5 minutes a day? This daily stretch is your personal fountain of youth, unlocking a body that feels more alive and energetic. Imagine waking up without stiffness, bending with ease and moving freely. This isn't a dream, it's a reality you can start today. Promise yourself 5 minutes each day for your well-being. Think of it as an investment in your future health and happiness. This small commitment can help you move confidently, play with your grandkids, or enjoy a walk without discomfort. You don't need a gym or fancy equipment, just a gentle stretch. It's more than a physical routine, it's a mental reset. Taking this time says, I am important, my health matters. This daily ritual becomes a peaceful moment of mindfulness. You're not just stretching muscles, you're stretching your potential for a fuller life. We'll unlock this potential together, one easy step at a time. The power is in simplicity and consistency. No need to push or feel pain, just gentle relaxation and flexibility. By showing up for 5 minutes, you're building a habit of self-care. It's about progress, not perfection. Are you ready to discover the difference 5 minutes can make? Let's begin. As we age, our bodies naturally stiffen, especially after 40 or 60. Do you wake up stiff or ache after sitting? You're not alone. Muscles tighten, joints lose lubrication, and simple movements become harder. Think of your muscles like rubber bands unused. They get brittle and snap. Without stretching, muscles lose elasticity, leading to strains and pulls. Daily stretching hydrates and keeps muscles resilient. It's not just about muscles, tightness affects posture, balance, and can cause aches from your back to your neck. Tight legs can even increase your risk of falls. A simple daily stretch addresses these issues, helping you maintain independence. Don't accept aches as just getting older. See them as your body asking for help. This 5-minute routine is your answer. It's a gentle way to restore what time has taken. You can reverse some changes, improve mobility, and reduce pain. Listen to your body. It's asking for movement and care. Give yourself the gift of a daily stretch. It all starts with 5 minutes. Before stretching, let's focus on your most important tool, your breath. Deep diaphragmatic breathing delivers oxygen to muscles and calms your mind. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Inhale through your nose, feel your belly rise. Exhale through your mouth, feel it fall. Let's try. Inhale for 4 counts, exhale for 6. Repeat. This focused breathing prepares your body and mind for movement. Now, let's gently wake up the body. While seated, drop your chin to your chest, then roll your right ear to your right shoulder, hold, then center, then left ear to left shoulder. Repeat 3 times each side, moving slowly with your breath. Next, roll your shoulders up to your ears as you inhale, then back and down as you exhale. Imagine holding a pencil between your shoulder blades. Repeat 5 times to release upper back and neck tension. This gentle prep, combined with deep breathing, warms your muscles. It makes the routine safer and more effective. You're now ready to begin. Remember, breathe deeply, move gently, and listen to your body. Preparation is key to a safe, effective stretch. Let's move on to the main stretches. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Ready for the first stretch? Our first main stretch is the seated spinal twist, great for spine flexibility and relieving back tension. Sit in a sturdy, armless chair, feet hip-width apart, back straight. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist your upper body to the right. Left hand on your right thigh, right hand on the chair behind you. Turn your head over your right shoulder only as far as comfortable. Hold for 3 to 5 deep breaths, lengthen on inhale. Deepen twist on exhale. Never force the movement or twist to pain. Slowly unwind to center. Notice the release in your back. Repeat on the left, right hand on left thigh, left hand behind, look over left shoulder. Hold, breathe, and return to center. This stretch increases circulation and releases tension. You've just given your back a wonderful reset. Let's move to the next stretch. Next, let's stretch the hamstrings. The muscles on the back of your thighs. Tight hamstrings can cause back pain and poor posture. Stay seated, sit near the front edge, back tall. Extend your right leg, heel on the floor, toes up, slight bend in the knee. Left foot flat, hands on left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, hinge forward from your hips. Keep your back straight. Move only until you feel a gentle stretch in your right thigh. Hold for 3 to 5 deep breaths, never forcing the stretch. Inhale, return to start, bring your right foot back, repeat with your left leg. This stretch relieves tension and improves movement. Remember, gentle, steady, and always pain-free. Consistency is key for lasting results. Let's see how these 5 minutes can change your life. 5 minutes a day may seem small, but the impact is huge. Over time, you'll notice more flexibility. Reaching, turning, and moving become easier. This isn't just convenience, it's freedom from physical limitations. You'll feel less chronic pain as tension melts away. The seated spinal twist decompresses your spine, the hamstring stretch eases your back. You may rely less on pain relievers and wake up feeling refreshed. Daily stretching improves balance and stability, making everyday activities safer. You'll have more energy for what you love: playing, gardening, walking. This routine enhances your ability to live fully and independently. Taking 5 minutes for yourself reduces stress and promotes calm. Deep breathing lowers anxiety and blood pressure. You'll become more aware of your body's needs. This small habit sparks other healthy choices. You're building a happier, healthier you. You now hold the key to a more vibrant, pain-free life. It's a simple 5-minute promise to yourself. Knowledge is powerful, but action creates change. The journey from stiffness to energy starts with one decision: to begin. Dedicate 5 minutes a day to your health. Think about your why: family, travel, or simply moving with ease. Let that motivate you. When you feel tired, remember this small investment pays big rewards. Make this routine as non-negotiable as brushing your teeth. Don't wait. The perfect moment is now. Celebrate your first session, then commit to tomorrow. Consistency transforms this action into a life-changing habit. Share your journey with others. Be a catalyst for positive change. This is just the beginning of your wellness journey. Take this first step with confidence. You have the power to age well.